Welcome to the Learning Resource Centre. Today we're going to talk about some of the rules and how you can find resources. The first rule to remember is to always be quiet when visiting the LRC. Secondly, no eating or drinking is allowed. To check out an item from the LRC, simply take it to the librarian and she will check the item out on your name. You will then be allowed to take it home. Grade 9 to 11 may check out 3 items at a time, and grade 12 may check out 5 items at a time. Items may be kept for 2 weeks and can be renewed twice. The due date slip at the back of every item will tell you when the item must be returned. To return it, simply place it on the librarian's desk in the return tray. If you have used an item in the LRC, but you do not want to take it home, place it on the green trolley and the librarian will pack it away. If you are looking for a book or other item, you can scan one of the QR codes in the LRC to access the catalogue. The catalogue will allow you to search through all of the items available in the LRC. You can also scan a QR code to access ebooks on the Britannica website. Ask the librarian if you need help. How to use the library catalogue. What is a catalogue? The catalogue is available online and is a complete registry of all the items found in the LRC. Once you have accessed the online catalogue, you can search for items using the title or author of the item, or by simply using a keyword. Use the drop-down box on the left to categorize your search. You then have to select the correct campus from the drop-down box on the right. Our campus is the Abu Dhabi Female LRC. You can then type the author, title, or keyword into the search box and click on the search button. The most relevant results will appear at the top. The results will tell you which shelf the book is on and what the call number of the item is. This will help you to locate the item on the shelf, as all call numbers are arranged alphabetically. The results will also tell you if the item is currently available. What are call numbers? Call numbers are labels with codes that are stuck on the spines of library books and other library items. Each code represents a specific subject, and library items that cover the same topics or subjects will receive the same codes. This ensures that items of the same subject are placed next to each other on the shelf. The process of assigning each item to a subject is called classification. Our library does this using the Library of Congress classification system, which uses a combination of letters and numbers to represent subjects and subcategories within each subject. The letters in the first line of the call number represent a general subject, the second line represents a more specific subject, and the third line represents the author, with the year of publication on the next row. Call numbers can also include a volume or copy number if the LRC has multiple copies of the same item. You don't need to know what each letter and number in the call number means, but you do need to know how they are arranged on the shelf. Each item is arranged alphabetically, starting from the top line of the call number and then numerically from the numbers that follow. This ensures similar call numbers and subjects are placed together on the shelf. We have different collections in the LRC. They are labeled with different colors and shelf labels. The collection is also indicated at the top of the call number. For example, REF is for the reference collection, JPN is for the Japanese collection, and AR is for the Arabic collection. The call numbers of fiction books are labeled with FIC and the first 3 letters of the author's surname. Graphic novels and graded readers also contain the first 3 letters of the author's surname and are arranged alphabetically on the shelf. Don't forget to ask the librarian if you need any help, and visit the LRC website for additional links and resources.